If you want to hide the Google Drive owner name, there are a few simple ways to make your files less personal and more professional. In this video, I'll show you the easiest method step by step, and I'll also explain the best option if you want to keep your real name private going forward. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, it's important to understand one thing. Google Drive files are always tied to a Google account, so you cannot completely remove the owner identity in every situation. But what you can do is make your shared files show less personal information, and in many cases that is enough for privacy or business use. The first option is to share the file using a link. To do that, go to Google Drive and find the file you want to share. Right-click the file, then click Share. In the sharing settings, change access to anyone with the link. This is one of the simplest ways to make the file feel less personal, because people usually see less profile detail when they open it through a shared link. They may not immediately see your email unless they open the file details. After that, copy the link and share it wherever you need. This is a quick fix if you just want to reduce how much personal information is shown to others. Now, if you want a more permanent solution, the best method is to use a generic Google account. For example, you can create a separate account for your business name, brand name, or channel name instead of using your personal account. Then upload and share your files from that account. That way, viewers will see the generic account name instead of your real name, which looks much more professional and private. This is especially useful if you share documents, folders, or resources with clients, customers, or a public audience. It helps keep your personal identity separate from your work. If you already uploaded the file from your main account and you want to change the name that appears, you can update your Google account name. To do that, click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Manage your Google account. Once your Google account settings open, click Personal Info from the left sidebar or the top tabs. Next, look for the Name section. Click on your name and then enter your new first name and last name. When you're done, click Save. This will change the name associated with your Google account, and that may help hide your real owner name in drive sharing and other Google services. Just keep in mind that changing your name is not always the same as completely hiding ownership. In some cases, people with access may still be able to see account details, depending on the file type and sharing permissions. So if privacy is your main goal, using a separate account is usually the safest choice. A few pro tips before you go. First, use a business or brand account if you plan to share files publicly. Second, keep your drive sharing set to anyone with the link whenever possible for broader access without extra personal detail. Third, review your file permissions after sharing to make sure only the right people can access it. And fourth, if you manage sensitive files, consider using a dedicated workspace account instead of your personal Gmail. So to recap, if you want to hide the Google Drive owner name, you can share by link for less visible detail, switch to a generic account for a more permanent solution, or update your Google account name if needed. For most people, the best long-term method is to use a separate account for business or public sharing. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, Google Drive tips, and time-saving workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.